are 4 ways to take care of your hair. 1. Don't keep it clean. Scalp health. Clean your scalp thoroughly when washing. A clean scalp promotes healthy hair growth. Use lukewarm water, as hot water can strip your hair of natural oil. Shampoo choice. Choose a sulfate-free shampoo if you have dry or sensitive hair. Avoid shampoos with harsh chemicals like sulfates and parabens, which can be damaging in the long run. 2. Condition and moisturize. Deep conditioning. Use a deep conditioner or hair mask once a week, especially if your hair is dry, damaged, or exposed to heat or chemicals. Natural oils such as coconut, olive, or almond oil can deeply nourish your hair. Apply them before washing pre-shampoo treatment or after washing for extra shine and protection. 3. Protect from heat and environmental damage. Heat protection. Always use a heat protectant spray or serum before styling with heat. These products create a protective barrier between your hair and the heat, reducing the risk of damage. Limit heat styling. Try air drying your hair when possible, and limit the use of hot tools like curling irons and straighteners to a few times a week. Sun protection. The sun's UV rays can dry out and weaken your hair. Wearing a hat or using products with UV protection can help protect it from sun damage. Chlorine and salt water. If you swim regularly, protect your hair by wearing a swimming cap or applying leave-in conditioner before swimming to minimize damage from chlorine or salt water. 4. Trim regularly and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Cologne. Trimming. Regular trims every 6 to 8 weeks help to eliminate split ends, which can lead to breakage and slow down hair growth. Diet and hydration. A balanced diet rich in vitamins, especially vitamin E, biotin, and omega-3 fatty acids promotes hair health from the inside. Drinking enough water ensures your hair remains hydrated and shiny. Gentle handling. Be gentle when brushing or styling your hair. Use a wide tooth comb for detangling, especially when your hair is wet, to avoid breakage. Silk pillowcase. Sleeping on a silk or satin pillowcase can reduce friction that leads to breakage and frizz compared to cotton pillowcases. Taking care of your hair involves a combination of proper cleansing, conditioning, protection, and maintaining overall health to ensure strong, shiny, and healthy hair.